In this video, I'll show you how to install and uninstall apps on your Samsung Galaxy A14. Okay, very easy. How to install apps? You need to go on the Play Store. This is the app you need to open. If you don't see it here, drag from the bottom of the screen up and you should see it on this page. Open it, and then usually when you open it, you should arrive on this page. Go on the search here and tap the name of the app you want to download. Let's say I want Facebook. I'll type Facebook, then search. This is Facebook, and you'll be able to press the install button here, install. If it's the first time you're using your phone, you may have this pop-up going on the bottom of the screen. Press continue, and then it will ask you to add a credit card. But if you don't want to add a credit card, don't worry. Just press skip and they won't ask it. Now you just have to wait a few seconds depending on your internet speed, and the app will be downloaded. And by the way, while it's downloading or installing, you can quit the Play Store. And when it will be done, you just have to drag from the bottom of the screen up here where all the apps are, and you should see the app that you just downloaded. You can keep press on it and move it around in this app drawer. This is how we call it. You can also keep press on it even more, and this way you can put it on your home screen. Now to delete an app, let's say you want to delete Facebook, just keep press on it and press remove, and it will be removed. Some apps you can't delete them. Let's say I don't want let's say I don't want the Galaxy Store anymore. I can keep press on it, but I won't have the option to delete it. Some other apps, let's say the game launcher here, if I press like this, I'll have more options. I'll have disable instead of delete. What disable means, okay, now we have disable it. It means that the app won't update anymore. This way it won't use memory every time to update and to stay in the background. The app unfortunately will still be on your phone. Another way to delete your apps is to go into the settings. Many ways to go into the settings. Again, by doing this, you should see the settings icon here. Tap on it. Then from this screen you can go down until you see apps. Tap. And here are all the apps that are installed on your phone. And again, tapping on one of them, you'll have the uninstall button on the bottom here. Just tap on it, press OK, and the app will be gone. So this is it. I hope this was useful. If so, please leave a like, comment down below, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.